Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna eat a lot of candies. Actually, a lot of candies. What? So Tokyo Treats offer a monthly subscription service and they send you a lot of candies and treats straight from Japan. Yes, you heard me right. All the way from Japan. You can select plans like premium or classic. This one is actually a premium box which includes 17 treats from KitKats to Pokies along with a drink. And this box is the most recent one for the month of July 2019. So if you are subscribed, you will or you already have received this box. Definitely I will leave all the details down below in the description box. So this is how it came in the mail. Like, this is the package, nothing over it. It's quite heavy. It got me too excited, so I couldn't really wait. So yes, I already unboxed it, but definitely I didn't try any of the treats, okay? Trust me. Okay, so the first things first, you get a menu where all the treats names and details are on it, along with the theme of the month, which is Life's a Bitch for July. And here's where you can see what's inside the box for both premium and classic. Okay, so now let's dig inside the box and start tasting the treats. So I'm gonna start with the KitKat because I cannot really wait. The packet looks so cute. Wow, they've got so many of them and it's peach flavor. This is the most attractive thing in the box and I love KitKat, so. I will tell you guys what it exactly tastes like. If you eat a milky bar and drink a minty flavored drink at the same time, this is what it's gonna taste like. I cannot really taste the peach, but I can definitely taste the mint flavor. Like, to be honest, I am not a big fan of mint flavor chocolate or drinks, but this one doesn't taste that bad, so I'm gonna try some more. When you have the first bite, you won't really like it, but when you keep eating, you'll be like, yes, I need more. It's that kind of taste and the aftertaste is really, really good. So I will give this like 7 out of 10. Moving on, I have got those chips. Chips, are they chips? Don't really know. Okay, this one is crushed potato 4-pack. This 4-pack features a salty potato ring snack. The salt is from Okinawa Prefecture.
In the south of Japan, Okinawa is famous for its tropical weather and beautiful sandy beaches, making this salty snack the perfect beach treat. Okay,
let's try it then. So I am assuming this is made of potatoes, salty potato chips. I was right, guys. This one tastes exactly like normal salty potato chips and the taste is really addictive, you know, when you eat and you keep wanting more and more, you never want to stop. But I just wonder what the other packet's gonna taste like. I am sure they taste the same, but still don't want to take any risk. Yeah, they look the same. They taste the same. This one would make a perfect snack.
Like for the time when I want to eat something, but I don't exactly know what I want. So that's when I can have these. So I'm gonna give this 10 out of 10.
Next, I'm gonna try this one, but the packet says nothing in English, so I need the menu in order to know what exactly this is.
So it's called sour peach gum. These peachy gum balls are the perfect combo of sweet and sour. Hold on to your taste buds, you are in for a sour treat.
I love sour stuff, so let's try this. It smells so good. Wait, I have tried something like this before. The flavor is so delicious, like sour, peachy, sweet at the same time. I know what it is. It was in India and it's called center shock. Like when you first put it in your mouth, it's really sour. Like you feel you're getting an electric shock, but when you keep going, it's really good. It tastes really good. That's what it tastes like. The taste is super exact. That's what it reminds me of. And I would give 10 out of 10 as well. What's next? This is chocolate mint candy. Mint lovers, you are in for another special treat inspired by Hokkaido chocolate chip mint ice cream. These little hard candies have a chocolatey mint outside and are filled with a chilled powder center. Isn't chocolate chip mint ice cream the best flavor for a beach day? Right. I think this will taste like ice cream because the packet, there's ice cream scoops. So, oops, oh my god. There are a lot of them. I am gonna go fat after eating all this. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is that it smells like coconut, then chocolate. Now I can slowly taste the chink of mint. I'm gonna bite it off. This one tastes like a mouth freshener. 9 out of 10. This one is a mini chocolate bat. This is a fun and yummy treat that features 5 mini baseball bat chocolates. Baseball lovers and non-sports fans alike can enjoy this one. There's a lot of them as well. This is a bat. This looks like a sausage. I was expecting it to be crunchy, but it's very soft and it's cakey-like. It's like a hard shell of chocolate outside, and then inside you can say like a pancake. That's exactly what it tastes like. Because I'm a chocolate lover, I am gonna give this 10 out of 10. Okay, so I need to try something salty now because I had a lot of them that are sweet, so. This one, I love this one. This one is my absolute favorite out of all of them that I tried. Like, it's got a lot of cheese and onion. I am full already. I feel like today I don't need to have lunch. Like, I can fill my tummy with all of these. There's so many. So the next one is melon cream soda. Wow.
If there's one Japanese drink you have to try, it's melon cream soda. This green soda is super popular in Japan. It's enjoyed by children and adults alike. But what does this mysterious melon flavored soda taste like? Pure happiness.
Let's see.
It tastes like melon. But this one is not watermelon, this is a different melon. I'll have to Google it. This one is like the white melon. Like when you peel it off, it's white inside or cream color. I am not really sure. I don't know the name, but I'm gonna put somewhere in the screen. But yes, it smells like that. Okay, I think my partner's gonna like this one a lot, so I'm gonna save some for him. The next one is Umai Sugar Rusk. I know what Rusk is. Okay, so if you're wondering what Rusk is, it's like a very crispy and hard bread, okay? That's what it is. Like, it's not super hard and crunchy like a normal Rusk, but I really like the taste. It's salt and sweet and a bit of crunchy. It's Texas corn okonomiyaki. This soft corn snack is inspired by the Japanese dish okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a popular Japanese dish similar to a pancake, made with a mixture of ingredients like cabbage, egg, meat, cheese, onion, and seafood. Have you tried okonomiyaki before? No, I haven't. Let's do this. Wow, it looks like cheese balls, light yellow cheese balls, okay? This one tastes very different to the other snacks, like the other salty snacks. It tastes very cheesy, very potato-y. Is that even a word? Very potato chips like cheesy potato balls. Okay, actually I take my words back. Not the Doritos, but this one is my absolute favorite out of all the snacks that I tried. This one is very unique in taste, so 10 out of 10 guys. So the next one is Sherbet Parrot Cider. Deep into this delicious powder candy that pops in your mouth. The fizzy sweetness fills your mouth like a fizzy cider. Oh my god, there's like a lolly inside. I didn't expect this. So am I supposed to dip the lolly in the powder and then... Here it just says dip into the powder. So I'm guessing I need to dip the lolly in the powder and then put it in my mouth. So I'm gonna do that. This one tastes like melon too, actually. The lolly and the powder exactly taste like melon, like the drink that I tried before. So I definitely like this one a lot. Something apart from peach flavor. So then I've got this cider soft serve DIY snack.
What better way to enjoy the beach than with soft serve? You can create your own soft serve ice cream cone with this DIY snack kit. It tastes like cider soft serve.
Oh wow, I have got like 3 small ice cream cones here and then a packet of powder. And there's a small little spoon as well. So I need to DIY this. Of course, I cannot do this now. I'll put it for later on. I've got this, and Anpanman wants to join you on your beach day. Bring him along for a yummy and juicy grape snack. What fun little gummies. Okay, so now I'm guessing Anpanman is a Japanese cartoon character. So maybe he's a famous one. Let's try Gummy Anpanman. There's like a sheet at the back with the gummies. It's very sticky. Okay, Anpanman is out, but the sheet doesn't want to go away. Like, am I supposed to eat the sheet? I guess I'll have to eat along with the sheet. What can happen worst? I won't die. Don't like this one. It tastes like normal gummy, but very chewy. I think mainly because of the shit. I don't know. I've got 2 more snacks left. This one is a Tonkatsu Sauce umaibo. This month's umaibo is inspired by that delicious Tonkatsu sauce you get when you order deep fried pork cutlets in Japan. The sauce is similar to a Worcestershire. What the hell is that? Okay, the sauce is similar to a Worcestershire sauce and is made from a mixture of vegetables. While the sauce is meant for tonkatsu, it's actually vegetarian. So this one is a veggie snack, purely veggie snack. Wow, this one tastes really good, especially like the powder that looks like black pepper outside. It's got really tangy and savory taste to it. I have tried something similar to this one before. I don't exactly remember which one, but it's one of the salty snacks packet, like the chips. Not really sure which one. It's similar to that, but this one is like a better version of it. 10 times better than that. Okay, so the last one is a soda soft candy. We love taking a soda to the beach, so this soda flavored candies are perfect. When you eat them, their sweet and sour taste envelops your mouth and leaves you with a refreshing soda taste and a hint of lemon. It's a chewing candy, not a gummy, sorry. Tastes like a lemonade soda after having all of the stuff that were really sweet. So this one was the perfect one to end this video, I think. Like you need salad after having a steak, people need this one after having all the sweet snacks. Okay, so that was me trying Japanese candies. I have never tried Japanese candies before, so it was a pleasure. To be honest, I liked almost all of the candies. I won't even lie if I didn't like it. I definitely hate the gummy, what was that? Anpanman. I hate Anpanman. Kids, don't take it seriously, especially if you're a fan of Anpanman. Apart from that, all of the snacks were so good. More than the sweet snacks, I really like the salty ones, especially the savory ones. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope it was really fun watching Kerline trying Japanese candies. Do not forget to check the description box down below because that's where all the details are going to be. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!